Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. It's your fellow skeptic. I'm continuing with the Bollywood reactions. I'm a South Indian. I haven't seen too many Bollywood movies, and the last one that I react to in this channel is Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. I haven't seen many classics of Bollywood. I have seen few movies here and there, but most of them aren't classics or neither were, or most of them like really good ones. I thoroughly enjoyed Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. There are a lot of good things about it. Like there are some parts which might sound a little bit cringe, but I thoroughly enjoyed this movie. I cried like a baby on the climax of this one. If you wanna see my reactions and humiliate me, go ahead. Feel free to watch it. One of my good friends and colleagues recommended this movie to me. Her name is Sneha, and she recommended me the next one. I think Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham was a really good pick, and I'm gonna go with her gut on this one. If there's any other movies you want to recommend, definitely put it down in the comment section below. But Sneha has priority on this one, so let's check out the next one. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So what do we have here? Three friends on an adventurous road trip / bachelor party in Spain learn some lessons about themselves and each other that will change them forever. Cast Hrithik Roshan, Abhay Deol for an actor, and I can see Katrina Kaif on the poster as well. So I believe it's a very good cast. Let's see. Without any further ado, when we get right into it. I'm gonna skip through the intro for a bit. So, alright, and here we go.
Will you marry me?
Kabir, please.
Okay.
Who is that?
Will you marry me?
Kalki? Is that Kalki?
Please?
क्यों कह रहे हो?
क्योंकि आज नहीं तो कल ही होना ही है. हम एक दूसरे को चाहते हैं. हमारी फैमिलीज भी एक दूसरे को टॉलरेट कर लेती हैं.
Say no.
मैं इमारतें बनाता हूँ. तुम इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हो. We're perfect.
Looks like you're putting her on a spot, you know?
Are you sure?
Really?
Natasha,
Oh,
please
okay.
जल्दी हाँ या ना कह दो. My knee is hurting.
हाँ.
Okay, fair enough. No worries.
और आज उसकी मंगनी है. कबीर बेटा, मैंने बेटी नहीं खोई.
Okay.
मैंने एक बेटा पाया है.
Yes. Even I want to get married.
Occasion, you know.
अरे जी,
Not really. I don't want to. Not right
आज से
now.
2 साल पहले आपने मुझे अपना होटल बनाने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया था. किसे मालूम था कि वन डे विल बी अ बिग फैमिली. आप सब लोगों का हमारी फैमिली में बहुत बहुत
Rich
स्वागत.
families. Why is everyone rich in Bollywood?
know that you're...
I couldn't show that because YouTube would copyright the crap out of me.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम इमरान है.
Imran.
कबीर और मैं स्कूल में साथ थे.
Kabir
Three
and
Musketeers.
Imran.
दैट्स राइट. ये नाम
Three Musketeers,
अंकल ने
what was the third
हम
one?
तीनों का रखा था.
That has to be really right.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारा तीसरा मस्केटियर अर्जुन आज हमारे बीच नहीं है.
What happened to him?
डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. वो जिंदा है, बस आज यहाँ नहीं है.
Ha, so funny.
एनीवे नताशा, कबीर इस दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे इंसानों में से एक है. तो कहीं तुमने उसकी BMW ठोक वोक दी, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. You're welcome, bro.
Why are all the families
बहुत,
in
बहुत,
these
बहुत
Bollywood
बड़ा दिल है
movies that I watch so fucking
तो
rich?
बिना कोई फिक्र किए
Last one,
जितने भी डायमंड्स खरीदने हैं,
this one. Yo, what? Diamonds?
बेसिकली
man,
नताशा,
rich people problems. I
कबीर
don't
इज अ
get it.
सॉलिड गाय.
Yeah.
तुम बस उसका हाथ थामो, उसके साथ चलो,
Go on.
क्योंकि कुछ भी हो जाए वो तुम्हारा दिल नहीं तोड़ेगा.
Thank you.
Actually, now that I'm thinking about it,
Tanya?
I do have a bachelor party. I mean, not me, my colleague
By
have
the
a
way, let
bachelor
me
party
warn
coming
you,
up.
huh? Nikhil, like full power bachelor road trip.
Don't ask, babe. उन्होंने कॉलेज में कोई पैक्ट बनाया था कि हर एक अपनी मर्जी का एडवेंचर स्पॉट चूज करेगा.
Are you serious? वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी टाइप.
एग्जैक्टली.
यू सी, हम जो भी स्पॉट चूज करें वो बाकी दोनों के लिए सरप्राइज होना चाहिए.
Shut up.
सीरियसली.
Are you kidding me?
No. एक बार वहाँ पहुँच गए, फिर क्या बहाना बनाओगे? वैसे आइडिया किसका था?
मेरा.
3 हफ्ते. You know how these boys are, yeah?
Not Kabir.
Oh please. Bachelor parties में सब पागलों की तरह बिहेव करते हैं. In fact,
Come on now.
निखिल मुझे आज तक ठीक से जवाब नहीं
Just
देता
that friend.
जब मैं उससे पूछती हूँ कि वहाँ हुआ क्या था. I don't know.
मैंने
You had strippers, didn't you?
Natasha जानती
Yeah.
है?
नहीं यार, मैं उसको क्यों बताऊंगा?
प्लीज बताना भी मत यार।
What
यूक्रेन से
happened?
थी यार,
Oh,
Bloody hot.
okay.
नाइस।
मैं 2 बॉटल डाउन था। Okay, listen, अगर समीरा को पता चल गया, she'll kill me.
आई नो, डोंट वरी।
Please, मेरी बैचलर पार्टी थी यार, वरना मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं करता। You know that.
नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड मैन, डोंट वरी।
Ukraine.
ये पैतरा कभी फेल नहीं होता बाय द वे। मतलब किसी को कहो कि तुम्हें उसके बारे में कुछ पता है, एंड बिफोर यू नो इट सारे सीक्रेट्स बाहर निकल आते हैं।
शट अप। तुझे उस यूक्रेनियन के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था?
नो, उसने बताया।
माइंड ब्लोइंग।
I kind of saw that coming.
Yeah, well, time equals money, Simon. You threw up my stop losses this time. How much? That's horrendous. Sell everything.
I hate him. I fucking hate him. You don't know why? Why does he look so
Listen, Joe, if you continue to give me
every
bullshit films like that, I'm gonna have to trade my Ferrari in for a Ford
fucking
Fiesta.
thing? I'm gonna fucking lose
He
him.
doesn't like pink.
We have white and gold and
Every single movie,
tons of
every
champagne.
single one of these.
and
Yeah.
we use scented.
I have a problem, यार. मैं स्पेन नहीं आ सकता.
अर्जुन यार, यू प्रॉमिस्ड।
I know, but जिस डील पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, वो I thought वो अब तक फाइनलाइज हो जाएगा, लेकिन I'm stuck.
आई कांट बिलीव दिस, तू मेरी बैचलर ट्रिप पे मुझे टांग दे रहा है।
ऐसी बात नहीं है यार.
तो फिर कैसी बात है?
ये एक चीज डिसाइड की थी हमने कि हम एक साथ करेंगे। अगर तू नहीं आ सकता तो मैं ये ट्रिप
You
कैंसिल
gotta
कर
go,
देता।
man. You have
तू
to
इतना सेंटी
go.
क्यों हो रहा है यार?
Are you gonna stop with this? Jesus Christ. Who's that?
Looking good. Been working out?
Yes. मैं usually mornings में आती हूँ.
Mornings. Looking for him? He's biting
तुम्हें
at
कॉल
lips.
करने वाली थी.
Why?
तो किया क्यों नहीं?
I'm getting married.
Wow. That was quick.
Arjun, please.
All the best.
On Hrithik? Ah, man.
मैं जानता हूँ कि तू क्यों नहीं आना चाहता है, लेकिन अब उस बात को 4 साल हो गए हैं।
You know, it's the last thing that I thought. You know, Hrithik getting dumped by a girl. Honestly, the masculinity side of me kind of feel a little bit good. So he's getting dumped. A dude like Hrithik is getting dumped. Yeah. Good. Good.
इमरान, हमारी जो
Yes.
बात हुई थी, कुछ सोचा तुमने?
I'm being a little busy. I know that.
अम्मी, मुझे दिल्ली और अकेले रहना दोनों पसंद है। आप साफ साफ क्यों नहीं कहती जो आपको कहना है?
ठीक है. फादर, कभी उन्होंने तुम्हें कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की? कभी ये पूछा हो कि तुम कैसे हो? कभी
Okay,
एक फोन
we have
किया
a
हो?
father
हो
named
सकता है उन्होंने
Salman
किया
who
हो
is
और आपने मुझे बताया नहीं
separated.
हो।
Interesting.
कल तक तुम्हें ये भी नहीं जानता था कि वो मेरे फादर हैं।
ठीक है. तुमको जो करना है तुम करो, लेकिन एक बात याद रखो प्लीज, फैसल ही तुम्हारे अब्बू थे.
I think you should trust your mother on this one.
Hello there.
तो ले जा रहा हूँ नताशा।
मैं लंदन में अकेले क्या करूंगी?
तुम शॉपिंग करोगे?
थैंक यू।
So how many miles are we driving?
We'll do in 3 weeks।
और मड्रिड कहाँ है लिस्ट पर?
नहीं है,
अबे इतनी दूर आकर we're not going to see the capital.
टाइम कहाँ है यार?
क्या प्लान?
We can't change it now यार।
I think we should.
अरे देख कौन आ गया।
वेलकम।
फ्लाइट कैसी थी तेरी?
वेल, इट फ्लू।
Funny।
It flew. Oh my god. The current situation in India, the kind of.
I'm good. Pretty good actually. नया अपार्टमेंट लिया है, 3 bedrooms, big space.
नाइस।
यार यकीन नहीं आ रहा कि हम तीनों एक साथ हैं।
या
फाइनली, नो?
बैठे।
चलो सुनो प्लान क्या है। पहले हम कोस्टा ब्रावा जाएंगे, जो कि मेरी चॉइस है।
ओके।
फिर अर्जुन को सेविया जाना है और वहां से हम जाएंगे। तू क्या कर रहा है मेरे लैपटॉप पे?
एक एड्रेस ढूंढ रहा हूँ।
ओला कबीरा।
That's his primary motive, right?
कबीरा। तेरी अम्मा के मैंने तेरे लिए 12,000 यूरोस का बैग खरीदा।
What?
12,000 euros?
दिखा,
Are you
दिखा।
kidding me?
12,000 यूरोस इस पर्स के लिए?
हाँ।
तेरी तनख्वाह भी इतनी नहीं होगी। One.
He's a douche.
Natasha loves these bags, you know.
And I love cars.
कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल्स करने। I'll see you guys later. Yeah? Adios, amigos.
और यहाँ मुझे लगा कि हम हॉलिडे पे हैं।
मुझे भी।
चलिए हम ही चलते हैं। Shut up, यार।
So I believe there's going to be a lot of character developments for
ये ना वो
these
सड़क,
people throughout the
वही
movie.
ज़्यादा एक
So
कटोरे जो
Hrithik
भी
is a rich but
And that's the
douchebag
place,
who does
huh?
not
हाँ,
care
शायद।
much about life, and that might be the reason he lost his first girlfriend. Kabir has father issues, and the other one I'm not quite sure what. He looks like a nice guy. He does nice things, I believe.
सलमान हबीब, नाम तो देसी है। पाकिस्तानी होगा या इंडियन होगा?
Oh yeah, he knows.
Reservation कैसे करते हैं?
आई विश तू आ जाए होता यार। इसकी गैलरी ढूंढते ढूंढते पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच गए। मगर ये शहर बहुत खूबसूरत है, सच्ची में।
और मैंने आज बैठे बैठे 2,000 पाउंड कमीशन उनकी, so excuse me if I don't complain. Cheers.
Such a douche, isn't it?
Yep.
Cheers.
Dude, तेरे बारे में कुछ सुना है मैंने।
क्या?
तुझे पता है क्या?
मॉम ने बताया। Well, ये नहीं बोला होगा कि I was forced. तो 10 दिन पहले लंदन आकर मुझे किसी दोस्त के रिश्तेदार के घर ले गई लड़की देखने।
Ah,
नीलू आंटी और गोगी अंकल की बेटी कुकी। मैंने तो डिसाइड कर लिया था कि वहां
भलाई
जाऊंगा,
बहन
चाय
है।
पीऊंगा, थैंक यू अंकल, थैंक यू आंटी के बाद नो बोल के आ जाऊंगा। जैसे ही चाय की पहली सिप ली, कुकी ने नो बोल दिया।
okay, so is he intentionally avoiding relationships?
I mean, so hot, yeah. What is it? What?
पहले की बातें होती
I
हैं।
didn't want to impress
I
her.
don't
ना
believe
कर
that.
दी तूने हमारी
He
group
got
की।
rejected in an arranged marriage.
Faith,
Please
Yeah,
stop it.
yeah.
और तुझे पता नहीं कि क्या जरूरत थी यार? What's wrong with her?
एक्चुअली आंटी ने इसको कुछ नहीं बताया। ये इसका नया पैथरा है और तू इस पैथरे का नया शिकार है।
Cheers. 2,000 pounds. पप्पू फेल हो गया।
लेकिन कुकी
Go
पास
on,
हो गई।
man. Guys,
Cookie pass
how
हो
old are
गया।
you? Huh?
In your face.
You know what? We have to have some shots. हाँ, shots पिए।
कुकी के
Shots कुकी के नाम पे।
For Cookie, yes. Good.
Not for me, yeah.
Good.
एक घंटे बाद conference.
Mint money and retired 40. Honestly, it's not a bad plan.
Listen. Thank you.
For
What?
what?
इस ट्रिप पे आने के लिए। It means a lot to me.
Yeah, I'm sure it does.
That's actually the only good thing he did in this movie right now. Rahul. Arjun.
इतना
Sorry.
सिंपल भी नहीं है यार।
My mind is going back to K3G.
My God.
What?
Full हो गया।
Comfort को छोड़ो यार, just look at her.
It's a convertible.
Guys.
Hola. Buenos días. कबीर दीवान।
Guys. Kabir. Arjun.
Why would a car
She's
like
beautiful.
that be over here? It's a rental, right?
यार मैंने एसयूवी बुक की है, चार्ज भी कर चुके हैं मुझे। सॉरी।
नताशा का पर्स बेच दे।
फनी।
Please.
क्या कर रहा है dude?
Why?
ये कैसे होता है?
Why?
Oh, don't even think about it, dude.
Close Jackie.
Sorry, guys.
Is he gonna attend the conference call now? Do you even have network? You need a tie for a...
Guys, 10 minutes max, yeah? Moshi Moshi Yamamoto-san. Oh, Genki desu ka? Genki desu.
Mercy, mercy.
जापानीज में हेलो
Oh my god, that's funny. Moshi Moshi. Oh wait, did I pause the video? Sorry.
Hi.
कबीरा पहले इस अमेजिंग व्यू को देख और फिर देख हमारे इस बेचारे दोस्त को.
And my Takato Yamamoto-san.
Arigato.
Chalo, guys. I'm done.
अर्जुन माय बॉय तुम इस द यूनिफॉर्म में द मेंटल लग रहे
Arigato is Japanese, right?
Let's go.
Yeah, it is it's Japanese.
Okay, the well the sense.
पप्पिया दोगे तुम लोग मुझे बाद
You're
में.
in different country.
जब मैं
dude.
चलाऊंगा
Come on, man, it's gonna
तुम लोग
pitch
उस
you
यूनो
out
की
for
तरफ
me.
पॉइंट करके जोर से चीखना, ओके?
You're not in your own.
मुझे लगता है उसका जिप खुला था.
Okay, that's not fun, man. That's...
यार दुनिया में कहीं भी जाओ
He's gonna meet them somewhere
It's
else.
just human nature.
That's gonna be a problem.
Meet Bhagwati.
Black.
वो क्या क्या है तेरे जोक्स को यार तबीयत खराब है क्या उनकी
हाँ क्या बताऊँ तुझ पर गई है ना.
Graduation is done, right? Yeah, so वो क्या कर रहा है यार?
Did he actually?
Are you mad?
Oh.
Did you just
The swag.
कहाँ मिलेगा?
सॉरी यार ब्रो मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो सच में फेंक देगा.
Yeah, of course you didn't know, कबीर. अब जाओ मेरा फोन ढूंढो.
हाँ कहाँ?
I don't know, मुझे मेरा फोन चाहिए बस.
ब्रोकन.
अर्जुन यार don't be silly. अब कहाँ मिलेगा फोन?
Silly. चलती गाड़ी से मेरा फोन बाहर फेंक दिया, you moron.
What's wrong with you guys?
Guys.
अरे I'll get you a new phone यार. I'm just joking.
Well, it's not funny. वो कॉल मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट था. और तू ये कूल और फनी का लेबल पहनकर जो जी मैं कर सकता है क्या? It's always like इमरान ने ये कहा, he's so funny. इमरान ने वो किया, he's so cool. Grow up. मेरा फोन बाहर फेंकना is not funny. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ इन्वॉल्व होना was not funny.
Oh. Oh.
Listen. 4 साल हो चुके हैं इस बात को और मैं माफी मांग चुका हूँ. ओके अब जाने दो उसे.
वरना क्या है? वरना क्या? वरना क्या?
Stop it you two. Stop. बच्चों की तरह बिहेव कर रहे हो यार.
So there is a past.
If there's a problem then deal with it like adult.
Love हो जाता है. Shit happens.
Yeah. It was shit. For me. And I'm sure कि तूने एक सेकंड के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं सोचा. इमरान मैं तेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं करता.
अर्जुन हो गई गलती. मैं क्या करूं? हाँ क्या करूं? सॉरी अर्जुन का टी-शर्ट पहन के घुमा करूं. What should I do?
Look at him.
जिस किया फिर बीपीएल देकर इसे यूज किया और फिर तुझे भी डंप कर दिया.
That's actually
She was a
good
waste of time
explanation.
then and she is a waste of time now. 4 साल पहले यार ये ट्रिप उसकी वजह से मैं कैंसिल करनी पड़ी. आज हम मेरी वजह से यहाँ हैं. Don't let her ruin this. Please.
और कितनी बार सॉरी कहना पड़ेगा?
तुम भी ना
उसको बोल यार.
शादी कर लो.
Actually, I'm starting to like this movie now. Until now there was not much substance, but now yeah, starting to get interesting. Did he get his phone? No.
हाँ बारिशों से निकल चुके हैं ऑन द रोड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल ऑफ कोर्स दोनों साथ में मेरे यार वेयर विल दे गो हाँ
I like
Cool, no? It's lovely.
you haven't seen the half of it yet
So fucking rich. Why is everyone rich? It hurts my head. Can I just rent like a poor phone for some time, like a
It's nice in the pictures also, yaar.
a middle class. Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for. Office setup.
Whoa.
Good guy. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Did you bring your work there as well? Laptop? Ah yes, I thought that was going to be the case. In the sun, man? Really? Isn't that a bad idea? Oh yes. Oh yes.
मुझे पता dude.
She's nice. Huh?
It's really nice.
क्या हो रहा
Really
है?
nice.
She's got me यार खींच रही है मुझे. She's pulling me here.
उससे पहले
Dude. Approach.
Hola.
Take your chance.
बोला
Can I try that?
Yeah.
Thanks. Where are you from? Brazil?
Half US, half India.
India? What a coincidence, yeah? Which part?
मेरे डैड दिल्ली से हैं, but I live in London.
तुम्हें हिंदी आती है? Not bad.
तुम्हें भी? Wow. No. Sorry.
Thanks.
We took a shot.
Hey! तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
लैला.
इमरान.
Lela.
लेकिन दोस्त मुझे मजनू बुलाते हैं. कामयाबी सब उसके हाथ में.
वाह वाह प्रोफेसर. वाह वाह वाह. Seriously. Oh, you got me this time.
I'm starting to like this dynamic a lot.
What the hell is this?
क्या?
मैं एक ट्रेडर हूँ, जापानीज स्कूल गर्ल नहीं.
मुशी मुशी.
Just shut up. Just shut up now. Just don't talk to me.
ओहो अब बस भी करो यार तुम दोनों.
Look at this. What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with you?
It's funny.
anyway अब सुनो हम कोस्टा ब्रावा क्या करने आए हैं you ready for this
Deep sea diving.
What?
हाँ कल सुबह हमारी ट्रेनिंग नहीं आता तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
अरे डूबना तो आता है.
Listen, just keep quiet, man. Just
I like him.
Keep
I
quiet.
like that guy. No, don't keep quiet.
Kabir,
Talk.
I
Keep
don't
talking.
understand. तुमने कैसे सोच लिया कि I'll do this? What's wrong with you?
Why are you being such a buzzkill? Oh yeah.
बाथरूम
से डरता है okay but then that's the challenge यार and it's completely safe think about it blue waters okay मछलियाँ ऐसे तैरेंगी आसपास corals it'll be amazing
What's his issue with swimming that much? Why isn't there anybody else?
कबीर दीवान.
लैला.
हाँ.
Hey,
हाय तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो?
तुम्हारा पीछा कर रहे हैं, I guess.
Really?
No. मैं तुम्हें ट्रेन करने आई हूँ. इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ यहाँ.
Wow.
Now he's got a.
hi I'm Kabir
लैला.
this is Arjun hi
लैला. मजनू.
You remember?
Oh man.
It's okay. Doesn't matter. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
So should we start?
Yeah.
Let's go. अंडरवाटर बात करना ज़रा मुश्किल है for obvious reasons. तो ये साइंस बहुत ज़रूरी है. Up,
Up,
down,
down,
okay,
okay,
not okay,
not okay.
air gauge.
Air gauge.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Your fins.
Does he have a phobia? Hey, it looks like he has a genuine phobia. That's actually a good way to paint. Nice. Everything is possible when you have such a hot train.
Good job, boys.
Yeah, I know. और हम सिर्फ क्या 6 महीने पहले मिले थे.
Well, you know what they say. When it's right, it's right.
Yeah, मैंने भी यही कहा था. Actually उसने कहा था.
वो करती क्या है?
Interior design. She's bloody good.
Okay.
And of course उसके father का hotel business है जिसकी valuation is 1,000 crores. 1,000
Oh my
crores.
god.
यार मैं उसके साथ शादी पैसों के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. हाँ?
Kabir, of course not यार. पर ये तो मानना पड़ेगा कि it's a plus point.
Plus point.
Oh,
Are you serious?
okay.
तुम और वो अगर बोर्डिंग हो तो
अगर बैंक में 1,000 करोड़ हो, तो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बीवी की क्या जरूरत?
Romantic.
इसमें भी एक पॉइंट है जज साहब.
You see? Cheers.
Huh.
Cheers.
It's got a different take at life.
गर्लफ्रेंड है
I don't
तुम्हारी?
judge.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Hey वो रोहिणी. उसका क्या हुआ?
Yeah. Smooth operator.
I don't know. कोई लिस्ट नहीं बनाई है मैंने.
Still. कुछ तो होगा.
कुछ तो होगा. तुम
I guess
तुझे चाहिए.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि जिंदगी मुझे सरप्राइज करती रहे, इंस्पायर करती रहे, नए लोग मिले.
Hola.
ओला. और कि तुम मेरे लिए एक ड्रिंक ले आओ.
It's your wish is my command.
हाँ और मेरे लिए भी.
अर्जुन.
I'm okay.
Too much eye contact, huh?
Keep it down.
Guys, we're gonna get arrested.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh no, please don't. You're not in the same. Don't do this, please.
I was just telling you.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
I know, but it's a long night, man.
See, in your country, fine, but you're in a different country, so fucking act like guests.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी बदलने वाली है.
अगर जिंदा बच गया तो
We'll see.
It's actually really nice. It's a very beautiful movie. It's very peaceful, man. It's relaxing. Oh wow. Is that lionfish? That is a lionfish. I think he's starting to get it now, you know. He's starting to get what he's been missing out. He's crying, isn't he? Wow. I actually never thought Hrithik was such a good actor, but he's actually portraying the emotions really well. I'm starting to like him a little bit, and I hate it. And I'm also kind of in a similar situation because I can relate to him a lot.
पिघले नीलम सा बहता हुआ ये
For
समय,
about last like 2-3 years, right?
नीली नीली सी खामोशियां,
Or at least like 4-5 years,
न कहीं है जमीन न कहीं आसमां, सिर्फ मैं
Alright, I think that'll be a good
अपने होने
place to stop for now. Yeah. Why the fuck does this happen to me? Okay, let's go back now. Okay, let's go back. Alright. That'll be the end of part 1. Last time, right? When this happened, I did the same thing watching Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, but it was for entirely different reasons. This time, why this movie kind of got to me, especially this part of the movie, is because the character that Hrithik is playing is very much similar to like what I'm doing right now with my life. And it's by choice, you know, I do have the option to do it and I choose not to do it because of, I want to break out of this middle class routine, right? It's something that most middle class people do. And that's not what I want to be. So at least for like last few years, I don't remember how long back it goes till, like 3, 4, 5 years. I've been doing this over and over and same routine, right? Every weekends I sacrifice it to work on something for myself. Like I have barely attended any reunions and like parties or friends get-togethers, and every other weekend I invest in building something like social media or something that could ultimately build a business that I can, something, a solo entrepreneur kind of thing, which I can potentially scale up in the future. And I can probably be in a place like a CEO or a small scale, top of a small scale business, and have a good financial background, right? And break out of the middle class circle. And for that reason, I've been avoiding all these things, right? Yeah, for the same reasons Arjun is doing it. And do I regret it? I really don't, actually. Even though this, I was sweating through my eyes for a little bit, I really don't. Because every time I try, once in a while I try to get out a little bit, you know, get some fresh air, go to some places and you know, get the beauty of the nature. But every time I do that, every time I go partying, every time I go to a spot to enjoy the nature, enjoy the fresh air, I come back to the same loop. I come back to the same place working on what I want to be, right? I work on something that I'm passionate. So even if I do it, my mind won't be there. My mind, I think I've done it for so long. I don't want to go get some fresh air. I don't want to go do other things that is going to give me pleasure. I think I've reached that point, right? And yeah, I know what I'm missing out on, but I no longer want to do it. I think I tried doing it. I don't want to do it anymore. My mind would not be there. This movie is entirely different from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. It's like a breath of fresh air, a lot of realizations. It's more about family values and those kind of things, right? To be honest, I think I like this one more than the other one. See, it's a good movie, Kabhi Khushi Gham, for several reasons. It's very well choreographed. It's a classic. There's like a good script. Music is wonderful, beautiful. But this one makes sense to me. Okay? This one makes sense. This one is, I get what she's talking about. I like realistic kind of, you know, without not too many reaction sorts or without too much drama. This does it. I like it. All right, so I might have to kick Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham out of my top 5, and I'm probably gonna put this one in my top 5. Let's see how the movie is gonna go. We have 2 more parts at least remaining, so we got a good amount of movie left. Ah man, Sneha, you made me cry twice. God. All right, you owe me therapy like hell. All right, okay, so y'all, if you're enjoying me crying like baby, just let me know down in the comment section below. What else do you want me to cry to? Is there any other movie that you want me to react to? Yeah. If you do like these kind of reactions, kindly hit the thumbs up button and let YouTube know you like what you're watching. Yeah, that she said, right? Up, down, air gauge. What were the other ones? Oh, this one. Yo, what were the other ones? Up, down, air gauge. Hey, what were the other things? Yeah, no, I'll rewatch the video and figure it out. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up now. I'm not gonna let you guys. If you're watching till now, then I'm really proud of you guys because you're watching till here. You're one of the real ones, OG ones. I respect that. All right. Why don't you hit the subscribe button if you want to see the rest of the reaction, and I'll see you guys next video. Good night.